I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
It's your girl TJ here, and I am back probably for the final video I'll be pumping out for 2018. So thank you so much if you are tuned in for watching. As you can see, this is going to be about my final pickup of the year. Now I know a lot of people are scrambling, and they went ahead and got, you know, some of the other retro Jordans that came out. I know the, you know, with the 6s that came out and different things like that, but that was not my final pickup of the year. It came down to me getting a shoe that I wanted as soon as it released. No, it's not a Jordan, as you guys are able to see in the thumbnail. Instead, it was the Vapormax Plus that came out in kind of this Michigan colorway, or what I like to think of it as a Michigan colorway. The official color is Persian, violet, and black. Sure, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it the Michigan colorway. And I tried to give you guys just an up-close look at the details of it. As you guys know, I mean, Vapormaxes are extremely comfortable, and this one was just a color that I wanted so badly now. I went ahead and did this final pickup. Finally decided to do it because employee appreciation for Foot Locker. So that was a great thing to be a part of, and to be able to cop some amazing things that I wanted at a really good discount. I feel like you can't beat that. Always trying to save money. So this is my final pickup of the year. It is the Vapormax Plus, and I will go ahead and do an on foot for you guys to be able to see that. But I mean, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Is this something that you copped over the year? Are you kind of leaning more towards getting comfortable shoes in terms of Air Maxes, or are you going to kind of venture towards the side of, you know, retros? Either way, I picked up retros. I picked up Vapormaxes, Air Maxes over the year, and this is my final pickup, and I'm absolutely excited about that. Now I'm going to show you guys the other stuff that I got for myself. Nothing too ridiculously crazy. I kept it pretty conservative. Nike sportswear beanie. Why is there length on there? Nike sportswear beanie. I can't rock it right now. The hair makes it a little bit difficult, but went ahead and got that in a full color. It's a basic Nike graphic tee. I love the message that was on the front that you can usually find on some of their clothing. So I went ahead and got this. We'll be rocking a lot. Basic socks. I feel like you can never have enough socks. I feel like people who buy shoes buy tons of socks all of the freaking time. And then finally, I did go ahead and break down and get the Jordan, I like to call it the Concord sweatshirt that has on back. It has the 95 to 96 on the front, and then it has Jordan going down the side, and then the back is just blank. But I love this. Of course, it will go with the Concord 45s. Now, I'm not going to break those out. I mean, those won't be broken out for a while, but I have no problem rocking this with the regular Concord from 2011, or even the Space Jam. I feel like that'll still go really well together. So that's kind of the last pickup that I went ahead and did for the year. Nothing too crazy to flex about, just some things to get that I wanted, mainly the shoes, just because I didn't have to pay. the really high retail price tag, and I'm extremely happy about that. But go ahead and let me guys know, what was the last shoe that you picked up of the year? Was it something that you planned, or was it just random? Because I knew 100% that it was a Vapormax that I wanted to go ahead and get with my employee discount. I just wasn't sure 100% which one, and this one was available, so I went ahead and got it. So let me know, what was your final cop of the year? Let me know what was your favorite cop of the year, because that's always interesting to see. Sometimes it can be something that you really didn't expect to be able to get, and then it can be something that you knew you waited for. Like for some of us, we did wait for the Black Cement 3s to come out. I did, and I finally do have those, so I'm excited about that. Excited to break these out and be able to wear as well. So again, comment below, let me guys know what was your final pickup of the year, and let me know what are you looking forward to the most for 2019. I know we all have our lists that are made based on, different early looks that we've seen coming out for 2019. I'm excited about that as well. I think I'm just going to be a lot more selective of what I'm picking up in 2019, try to save a little bit more cash, save a little bit more. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas and a great New Year. Peace out.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.